up, y'all? And welcome to my afternoon live. Let me get my paperwork together. Today we're going to be switching it up a little bit. Like, I just got some news. Well, I didn't just get the news. I had the news yesterday, but I needed to take the time to sit down and read all about it. I had the news yesterday, and then I was like, okay, well, I got to make sure I get you guys this information before I talk about anything else. So we're going to be talking about the new program, the new home buyer program from Amazon. Not Amazon, Bank of America. Bank of America new home buyer program. Now, give me a minute. Y'all know I need to share this the live where it needs to go. So let me share this really quick. And then we're going to get started in talking about the new program, what you need to know, the things that people are not actually pointing out. And I want to point those things out for you guys because it's going to be critical that you understand what this program is and what it is not. Because a lot of people will read into something and think that they're getting into a program that is something that is not. So give me about 2 minutes, guys. Let me share this where this needs to go. And then we're going to get started. I got my notes so I know where it needs to go. So let me share it real quick. I got a few places I need to put it. And then we're going to get started. I'm going to bring up the facts. Y'all know I like to bring the facts. See, because they like to get people all hyped up about stuff. But you got to read that fine print. Y'all know me. I'm really big on reading the fine print and making sure y'all know exactly what these people are talking about. And we're going to get down to the nitty gritty. Because you can slap black and Hispanic on anything. But if you don't read them details, you will be caught up. You will be caught up playing around with these people because they... Didn't I just tell y'all about letting people play in y'all face? See, because people like to play in people's face. But I'm about to give y'all the real facts. Tell y'all what they talking about with this program. Because people like throwing black people names and our color on stuff and making it seem like it's really to benefit us. And I'm not saying that it's not. But when you get down into the paperwork and into the black and white and into the legalness of it, it don't really be for us. It don't really be for us. It be for other people. But they just be using us. They be using us, right? They be using us to get what they want for other people. So we got to be real careful. Ooh, y'all going to hear some thunder and lightning. We are having some bad weather. Right now, guys. Oh, my God. Give me a moment. I'm almost finished putting this video where it needs to be for the people that needs it. So give me a minute and we're going to get started, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like this video, share this video. Everybody that's listening to me while I'm putting this video out where it needs to be, like and share this video for me so that people that needs it can see it, please. Because we got to talk about this. Do not let this pass us by. Do not let this get past other people, right? Do not let this get past the people that need it. Your friends, your family members, your co-workers. Don't let them miss this. See, because a lot of people are being misled by these quick snippet videos of what people are saying. But no, we about to get down to the nitty gritty. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. I gotta notify my people. Because I need them to know what is going on out here in these streets. Y'all stay boy, I tell y'all to slap a black person color on something real quick to make us happy and we fall for it. Slap it right on there to make us happy and we fall for it. But we ain't falling for it today. We gonna go through what it is today. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is today. One more place I got to share this. One more place, y'all, and I'm about to be done. One more place. Ooh. Y'all, it's raining, like raining. This rain is not playing. Hey, Nicole, how you doing? One more place, guys, and we finna get started. How many of y'all heard about the new program? How many of y'all heard about the new Bank of America program? First of all, Bank of America. Let me shut up. I'm gonna be quiet. Bank of America Wells Fargo. I don't like them banks. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't like them banks. Okay. No, you haven't heard it. You finna hear about it today with me. Look, I don't like them. Listen, I stopped fooling with them a long time ago. I got my own personal stories about them folks. But I'm gonna leave that for another day. So, where's my note? Where's my little note? Y'all know I keep a notepad. Okay, here we go. All right. My notes, guys. Everybody make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share the live. All right. So the topic for this live is Bank of America First Time Home Buyer Program. Okay? That is what we're talking about today in this live. We was going to do something different, but today we're going to talk about this because it needs to be talking about. We need to be talked about. All right. You can now buy a home allegedly without worrying about your credit. That's what they saying. That's what the people saying. This ain't me. This is what they saying. All right. First time home buyer, 0 down payment, 0 closing costs for Black and Hispanic communities. Listen to the words, guys. Follow words. Pay attention to the words. Words got power. Pay attention to what they saying and how they saying it. Okay. Bank of America is now offering a first time home buyer program for Black and Hispanic communities in Charlotte, Dallas, Los Angeles, Detroit, and Miami. Those are the first places where they're going to leak this program. Like I said before, no down payment, no closing costs. The new program is called the Community Affordable Loan Solutions. Okay? Listen to me. Listen, if you need a realtor in Florida, I am a licensed Florida realtor. A lot of people don't even know that. I am licensed in Florida to be your realtor. So if you need one, just go ahead and get my contact number at the bottom of this screen. Listen to this, guys. Listen to this. Listen to this. Everybody put your listening ears on when I say what I'm about to say next. But I'm going to pull the article up because y'all know I like to bring my facts because y'all like to come in here and tussle and think that I be trying to come for people, but I be trying to give y'all the tea and the real information. Listen to this. This is what my eyes went like this. Okay? But listen to this one. Told you I did my research. Applicants do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the product. I'm going to say that again. Applicants do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the product. Y'all ain't hear me. Did y'all hear me? Okay. All right. The loan require no mortgage insurance, no minimum credit score. Okay? The decision will be based on timely payments of rent, utility, phone, and auto payments. A home buyer certification class will be required. Yeah, that's just my short synopsis, right? But this is my issue. Everybody's going around telling everybody, oh, they got this grand program that's for these Black and Hispanic people and la 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 la, right? But a Bank of America representative stated that you do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the product. So let's go back to the beginning. See, I told you I remember words, right? So what are you telling me? Are you telling me that the program is for anybody? See, I'm gonna make it and put it in layman's terms because people like to play in people's face, but you ain't gonna play in my face. The program is for anybody that want to purchase a home, be a first-time home buyer in a Black or Hispanic community. So that can be a real estate investor. That can be developers. That can be anybody because it clearly said Applicants do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the product. So is it for us, or is it just for people to buy property in our communities? Okay? 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 Pay attention. I'm going to pull up the article. Let me pull up the article, y'all. This is why we got to pay attention. Because we'll let them slap Black on something and not pay attention. Oh, they doing us a favor. You ain't doing me no damn favor. Because you just told me that Mr. Johnny, that's making $100 million a year, and he ain't Black, can come and apply for this program. But that's why I told y'all, when you see Bank of America, first of all, you don't believe nothing they say, no way. Okay? But they slap Black and Hispanic on there because they think that we ain't got the competency to go read the fine print and really see what they talking about and what they so-called offering us. No, what you doing is opening up our neighborhood, gentrification, to other people to come and buy in our neighborhood and still jack the prices and rent and stuff up. So that means we don't get first dibs on this product, okay? So don't get too excited, okay? Don't get too excited. Digest what I'm saying to you. Let me pull it up for you. See, because I like for y'all to see. Because I don't be trying to be extra. Because I know they be like, oh, P. Matthews be so extra. She'll go off on the because I don't like people playing with us. That's why I get upset. That's why I'm passionate about what I do, and I do my job, because I know other people don't really understand it. People don't go out and read this stuff and understand, oh, this is what it's really about. You ain't doing us no favor. You doing your friends, okay? You doing your friends a favor, okay? You ain't doing us no favor. Let me pull it up for y'all. I'm gonna pull it up for y'all. See, because I like to cover my receipts, because I want somebody to say, oh, that ain't true. That's not what they said. Oh, that's what they said. That's exactly what they said. See, I'm not going to do this for no likes. I'm doing this to make sure you guys are informed. Guys, tell me when it's big enough for y'all to see it too. Tell me when it's big enough for y'all to see it. Do y'all see it? Yeah, something fishy about that Black rock crop. Already bought up all the houses. China has already... Yeah, they just inviting everybody. They clearly said applicants do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the program. So why the hell is our color plastered over the damn advertisement? Why are we plastered over the advertisement like you doing us a favor? That's why I don't like that word minority. They always want to put us in minority, but we not the minority. Because the minority, and I ain't got nothing against people that's not Black, but my minority don't mean Black. Minority can be a white woman. But we eat it up. We eat it up. Oh, they doing us a favor. They're not doing it no favor. If you going to do something for the Black community, do just that. And let it be for the Black people. But it ain't. Can y'all see this article? Can y'all see the article? I'm going to leave that alone because I go all day about that. But can y'all see the article? Yes or no? TikTok, if y'all want to see the article, y'all got to go to my YouTube. We're about to go over the article so y'all can see exactly what's in it. Nah. Yeah, all written all over it. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all can see it. Okay. Here we go. First of all, read the title. Bank up, and this is why education and reading is fundamental, because baby, they will twist some words up on you and have you thinking you got some gold and you got a whole pot of shit. Okay? Bank of America announces 0 down payment, 0 closing costs mortgages for first read people, for first time home buyers in Black and Hispanic communities nationwide. Guys, I know y'all don't like when I be teaching y'all, but I need y'all to pay attention. This did not say Bank of America announces 0 down payment, 0 closing costs mortgages for first-time home buyers. It didn't say for Black and Hispanic. It did not say for Black and Hispanic. See, they was real tricky about their words. It did not say for Black and Hispanic first-time home buyers. What it said was for first-time home buyers. Keyword. For first-time home buyers. Okay? In Black and Hispanic communities. It did not say for Black and Hispanic first-time home buyers. You got to pay attention, which is why they made sure they said applicants do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify. Do not let these people play in your face. Okay? Y'all got that, right? Let's move on. See, because I done changed up my whole life. I wasn't even supposed to be talking about this. I was supposed to be talking about y'all fixing y'all credit. But now they finna act like they gotta deter you away from getting your credit right when you do need it right. Because this don't even make no sense. But we're gonna talk about that later. Okay? All right. Residents in selected, keyword, selected, Charlotte, Dallas, Detroit, Los Angeles, and Miami neighborhoods will be offered the program first. It didn't say Black and Hispanic residents in selected, blah. It said residents. Reading is fundamental. Do not let these people play in your face. Do not go jumping up and down thinking you got some gold and it's a whole pot of shit. I'm going to say it again. Okay? It says residents. Doesn't say Black. Doesn't say Hispanic. And again, it says applicants do not need to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the product. What the hell? Okay? Now let's go to this piece of crap. Let's read what they had to say about Bank of America. Here we go, class. Here we go. Bank of America said it is now offering first-time home buyers in select group of cities 0 down payment, 0 closing cost mortgage to help grow home ownership amongst Black and Hispanic Latinos communities. The option will first become available in certain neighborhoods in Charlotte, Dallas, Detroit, Los Angeles, and Miami. The new program is called the Community Affordable Loan Solution. Aims to help eligible, did not say eligible Black, did not say eligible Hispanic, eligible individuals and families obtain an affordable loan to purchase a home, the bank said. If it's for the Black people, say it's for the Black people. If it's for the Hispanic people, say be direct. Say it's for the Hispanic people. But they're not going to say that because this ain't for us. This is just they just throw that on there because they're going to use our community. They're going to use our community for their come up. Okay? Listen to me. Pay attention. Applicants do not have to be Black or Hispanic to qualify for the product, a bank representative said. Okay, I'm going to keep reading. Home ownership strengthens our communities and can help individuals and families to build wealth over time. Al Barkley, head of neighborhood and community lending for Bank of America, said in release. Our community affordable loan solution will help make the dream of sustainable home ownership attainable for more Black and Hispanic families. Really? That's what you said? That's not true. And it is part of our broader community commitment to communities that we serve. Okay. We're going to move on. Why is it that every time people try to make it seem like they trying to do something for us, they get in these press releases and say, oh, this is going to make it better for them? No, it's not. It's going to make it better for you to fill your pocket. Because it's not going to be us buying the homes. It's not going to be us that selected, as they say, selected residents. We're not going to be the selected residents. It's going to be your other friends. And we're going to be the ones trying to rent. Or you're going to try to throw some rent to own shit on us. But I'm going to keep reading. I'm going to keep reading this article for y'all. The loan requires no mortgage insurance. The additional fee typically charged to buyers who put down less than 20% of the purchase price, and no minimum credit score. Instead, eligibility will be based on factors like timely rent payments and on-time utility bill, phone, and auto insurance payments. Prospective buyers must also complete a home buyer certification course provided by Bank of America and federally approved housing counseling partners before they can apply for the loan program, the bank said. The racial gap in home ownership rate in the U.S. remained substantial in 2020, the most recent year of which National Association of Realtors data are available. Blase, 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 blase. Y'all. Can I also pass some information? Can you add to the live? No, you can come on up. This is one of my good friends. You can come on up, Estlin. Estlin, let me send you the link. Come on up. Come on up and tell the people. Because let me invite you right now. I'm going to put the link in the comments. Grab that link and come on and tell the people. He's in the industry as well. I'm the realtor. He the one that gets you approved. Right? I'm the realtor. My homie, he gets you approved. He going to come up here and he going to talk to y'all for a little bit. Exactly. Gloria, I was just going to say that. You say that we got a racial gap in home ownership or whatever the hell you want to call it. Right? But you try to make it seem like you created a program just for Black and Hispanic people, but you really didn't. Why waste our time? P. Mathis, the accountant, is my YouTube page. Guys, if y'all want to see the lender that's about to come up on the live, come on to my YouTube. Why not just be direct? And I'll be doing a TikTok video. Y'all know this is my TikTok guide. This is actually my guide video. I was working on that video. I haven't even did my TikTok video on it. I'm going to do it. But why sit here? I just sent it to you, Estelin. It's in the chat. Look in the comments of the video. Look in the comments of the video. Why try to play with people's mind? Why try to play with us? Like we a fool. See, but what's happening, a lot of people, a lot of realtors, a lot of people in the industry, they promoting this so they can be seen, but they're not giving the details. I'm going to give you the real details. I'm going to let you know, yes, there is a new program. But don't get your hopes up talking about Bank of America did something for the Black and Hispanic community, because they didn't. What they did was slap your color on the advertisement because it sells. That's what they did. Just like we got people that own companies that's tailored to Black people, but the owner ain't Black. But we sit around and we allow people to play in our face on our color and come up on us based off our color. And we still don't reap nothing. We still don't get nothing. We still don't get the piece of the pie that we supposed to get. Because we don't pay attention. And then it be people that look like us that lead us down the wrong road as well with the shenanigans. So do not listen to nobody that's out there telling you, oh, don't worry about fixing your credit. Don't worry about it. That don't matter no more. Bank of America got a program. Bank of America got a program now where you ain't got to worry about your credit. Don't do that. Don't let them get you off track. Hold on, here go my friend. I'll put the link in to the article in the comments right now. Here you go. This is the link to the article. Here we go.
Good
Let
afternoon,
me let him
everybody.
in.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Hey,
sis. So listen, real quick. I'm
you
not
a
gonna
little
say.
you a little low.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you better now. Y'all can hear him.
Okay. I don't have my headphones. I'm in the lounge right now. But
Okay.
just to touch, can you hear me? Okay, I'm gonna get as close as possible. Can you hear me now? Okay, perfect. All right, guys. To touch on that really quickly, here it is. There's no such thing as 0% down payment, 0% closing costs. You will pay something, okay? You're going to spend your money on appraisals, inspections. You're going to have escrow you have to put down. You're going to pay something. There's going to be some type of cash you have to pay at the closing table. There's no such thing. However, what Bank of America is doing, they have more cash in the bank than they do actually have loans. Keep in mind, when they give you a loan, they're going to charge interest rates on these loans. Okay, therefore they're going to make their capital, but they have to get rid of the cash. Remember, your cash is used for investments. Every time you go make a deposit inside of the bank, your money is being invested. You're not making any money off it, but your money is being invested. So the turnaround is they're going to provide you guys all this money, and specifically for the Black and Hispanic community, as she spoke about, this is designed specifically for you. There is a chance that most likely 4 out of 10 people are going to foreclose on these properties. Okay, when they're foreclosed on these properties, Bank of America companies that they're affiliated with is going to come in and buy those same properties, and they're going to turn that area into a rental property area rather than a home buying area. Okay, it's really simple. However, if you see any company offering some type of 0% down payment, 0% closing costs, no such thing. All right, they're not going to cover your appraisal fee. They're not going to cover your inspection fee. It's not going to happen. It's great information. It's great things to use if you don't have the funds. However, keep in mind, they're going to put you inside of a Black community. What about if you don't want to stay in that community? Okay, imagine this. The community that they're putting you in, that's a grade C school for your kids and your family to stay in. You're stuck in that community. Okay, this is not no loan you can go get and you can sell that house back within 1 year. This is not a flip loan. It's not that type of situation. You're going to be stuck into that loan for at least 5 years. Okay, possibly more. I haven't looked into the actual guidelines on this. This was just released today. However, keep in mind, there's no such thing as 0% down payment, 0% closing costs on any type of loan. All right, this is, notice they didn't give this to the white community. I want you to keep this in mind. They did not provide this to the white community. Why? Because they don't need it per se, but they'll use it if they had the option. But for you, they're going to put you into an area which is reverse redlining. Therefore, they're going to lock you into this zone. All right, they're going to have almost 20 blocks of nothing but Black residents and Hispanic residents. Just as I'm currently in Miami Gardens. I'm actually here in Florida today. But Miami Gardens is specifically one of those areas that this is a Black and now turning into a Hispanic area that they're going to specifically give you that loan for. And again, if I got 4 out of 10 people that is going to go ahead and foreclose on that property because eventually you don't have the money for down payment or closing costs, most likely you can't afford a home. Let's be for real here. You're not willing to be disciplined and save your money for a down payment and or the closing costs on your loan. You are not a good candidate for buying a home. All right, specifically designed for first-time home buyers. You notice they didn't give it to other people who've bought homes before, making it a secondary property or an investment property. They're giving this loan for you, knowing that the 4 out of 10 are going to foreclose on that property. Okay, if we did the 4 out of 10, imagine that 1,000 people. That's 40 properties that the company is going to come in and buy. You're going to turn around and walk outside your door one day, and there's going to be a rental property right next door to you. When rental properties come into place, guess what? They don't take care of those properties. They don't take care of those properties. Guess what happens to the whole street or the whole block? The market goes down. Okay, your property value goes down. All right, this is definitely you have to know what you're really dealing with when it comes to this product. All right, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. Sis, what you're saying is very accurate, very, very damn accurate. There are some debt to income ratios that may be inclined with this situation that you may not have. You don't have the income to manage the actual debt to income. Okay. If you guys don't know what DTI is, I'll explain it really quickly. It's simply your income based on your debt. All right. Do you make more than your debt? And truthfully, you're only supposed to have at least 25% of your income that pays your mortgage or less. If you have more than that, we have a major problem. Okay. And it's supposed to be lower. So if we want to talk about truly 43% on our FHA loan, that's almost, we're looking at 47%. 47% of your actual debt. Okay, you cannot have more than 47% in debt to qualify for that type of loan. All right, so some realtors, if they don't know the information like she knows it, they're gonna push you into this because they just want to make their money. All right, they don't care. They're gonna say, "Hey, Bank of America has this type of loan." They don't know the long-term effect of this. All right, I'm not trying to steer anybody away from this loan program. It is a good product, okay, but it's not the greatest product. Save your money, pay the down payment, pay your closing costs, so you can be able to make that choice of where you want to live at. All right, this is like some type of, I mean, I hate to say it, but this is some type of form of slavery. But the real definition of it is reverse redlining, where they're going to put you into that area, and it's going to be designed specifically for you. All right, we might as well create another projects in that case. If you want to go stay in the projects, and I hate to say it, this is what it may turn into. All right, so
hood rich, hood rich,
hood rich.
You'll sprinkle some sprinkles on top of it for your ass.
All right, so that's the reality of it, guys. Be careful when you look into this loan at Bank of America, and you know you move forward with it. There are some great 0% down payment loan programs available. All right, but you have to be aware that you do better by coming out of pocket. All right, I even hear some talks about the interest rate may be lower. They're not going to interest rate lower. Your interest rate is going to be much higher. You're looking at, we got an average interest rate of 5%, 6% right now. You're looking at least about 7 to 8% on this interest rate.
And I'm thinking they might give them a floating interest rate.
Right.
They better hope they don't give them one of those.
It sounds too good to be true. Right? It is. It is. It's definitely too good to be true. So interest rates are going to be much higher. You may see that the interest rate on your loan estimate or your actual closing disclosure that say maybe 6.5%. But there's a hidden 2% on your APR, your annual percentage rate. You have to pay that. All right. So you're going to see next year interest rate 6.5%. You're going to have 8.5% on your APR. You guys are going to pay that 2%. They're going to roll that into your loan. Imagine paying on your actual interest just for 20 years on a 30-year loan. So that's now going to add an additional 20 more years you have to pay on your principal. All right. So keep that in mind. That's what I wanted to say about it real quick. This has been a talk of the day since this program rolled out, and some people are excited. Some people that are educated about it knows. But as we are here, we're here to educate you on this. You know, Precious Mathis is what she do. She's educating you on that. I have much respect for her as a realtor because she's educating you on true programs. All right, and not just selling you anything. All right. So that's my talk for today. I'm gonna log off real quick. I am at the lounge. I'm in Miami. Sis, I'll give you a call.
Thank you. I see. I'm like, you in Miami. You ain't supposed to be in Miami. I'm telling you, everybody that want to party, I hope y'all either get somebody pregnant or y'all come back pregnant this weekend, since everybody want to have fun and I'm stuck in the house. But I really do appreciate you coming and educating my audience. Y'all, this is my childhood friend, like childhood from high school. And he's really good at what he does. If you're looking to get approved, this is where I will be sending you. I don't talk much about real estate because I can't get up and move like I need to. But I'm about to get up and move like when I have this baby. But when you get ready to buy your home, you want to get with people that has your best interest and not just trying to collect a check. Right? So when we work with you, we want to make sure that we work with somebody that's going to be happy and you're going to be safe in the home that you buy and you can actually afford it. I don't want you buying a home and 2 years, 3 years down the line, you getting ready to foreclose because we put you in too much of a home just because we wanted to get the sale. That's not what it's about. It's about helping you actually really build generational wealth, and you got to pay attention to everything. Actually, we gotta come back. We might have to do like a little seminar or something. But even with, when you get in these homes, I've met people that I counseled through, even with your inspections. You should not be taking the inspector from your realtor. You need to do your due diligence, because you don't want to get into a home and say, oh, the inspector didn't do that job. Now I got a pipe issue. And the inspector told me that it was fine. My realtor told me this was the best inspector. Sometimes you got to understand that those people work together because they just want to get the deal done. So you got to do your due diligence and make sure that you get with people that genuinely want to help you and your family. Because like I said, this program right here got a mess written all over it. I'm just going to say it.
Absolutely, guys.
It's a pot of shit.
Absolutely, guys.
That's
So
just it.
definitely, man, come with the table, man. If you can't afford it, that's understood. Then we have, there's programs out there to help specifically with your down payment.
Yeah.
All right, and
Yep.
then that you come to the table with just your closing costs. But when you're into your closing costs, you have control. A lot of people don't know interest rates cost right now. Okay, you're going to be paying for an interest rate. You may
Yep.
ask, what do you mean by paying for an interest rate? There's going to be something on your closing, your loan estimate or your closing disclosure is going to say your price, okay, for buying points. All right, and that can be $3,000, $4,000, or if you wanted to buy your rate lower, you could spend up to $30,000 on your rate, and that changes the ball game. But keep in mind, these are things that make sure your loan officer goes over the whole loan estimate with you. All right, don't allow them to just send you a loan estimate and tell you to sign it. It's not that. It's not great information. You're not educating me. Okay,
Line by line. Line by
line by
line.
line, you should go over all that information, guys. So, that's what it is. Sis, we can put one together. Let's
Yeah,
educate
let
people
me
more on
have
this
this
information,
baby, and we gonna put something together. You go have fun in the city.
and we'll
I
do.
can hear I hear y'all. I hear y'all.
Yeah,
I'm a little envious, but I ain't gonna say nothing. I hear y'all. Go have fun, but I really do appreciate you coming to educate the people because we need it and we have to do more of this because it's a lot going on right now and they have to be educated. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is really the power. That's where the power really come from. So we
exactly.
got to make sure that they're able to apply this knowledge. So you go have fun
We'll
and
do.
I will see you later. Much love.
Love.
Bye bye. All right, guys. That's my good friend. That's my good friend. Like I say, I know people, and I don't mind bringing my people up here to help y'all get into better situations. This loan is out here. I said what I had to say. All right, Coach P I said what I had to say. I know that we were supposed to be coming in here talking about credit and getting your credit fixed. That's what we were supposed to be doing. But we're going to go into that now. But I had to. I could not sit back and keep watching this storyline just keep going and going. And everybody like, oh, this is so good. But really not dig deep into what this really is. Because it's not, this is not gold. Okay? This is not a golden gift to the Black and Hispanic community. All right. So whoever told you that, these some of these realtors out here that's trying to sell this use this as a selling pitch. I'm not using this as a selling pitch because I see shit all over it, and I see the disaster that they're trying to create for our people. Just like Esselin was talking about, they're trying to put you in those low budget ass communities. I don't want to have to be in a community where now I gotta drive my kid 6 and 7 miles, 10 miles away from my home to go get a better education. Because the community that you put me in, these are D's and C schools. So they're not getting the same quality education because we're not paying the same amount of property taxes so that my kid can get a good education. But you telling me this is a good place for me to be at because you're trying to put us in the area. You're just trying to move me out the way. We're not doing that. No, Godfrey. Yes, want to put me in a low budget community. We're not doing that. No, Godfrey. NACA is not the same thing. I like the NACA program. I think it's a great program to go to. I teach my students how to get through that program all the time. No, this is not like NACA. This is totally different. Redlining. That's right. Redlining. Listen, if you are having trouble with the home buying process, if you are having trouble with getting your credit where it needs to be, let me know. I want to help you. I'm running a special right now. I'm going to turn it on right now. If you have an issue with your credit and you want to get yourself in a position where you can buy your own home without all this extraness, let me put it on sale right now. I'm going to put my credit audit on sale. I'm going to put it on sale right now. It was on sale this morning. I'm going to put it on sale again this afternoon. 50% off. Let me turn the sale on. All you have to do is type in the word credit. I'm going to share the link with you. Go sign up for your credit audit. We will go through it. I will go through it. I will tell you what you need to do. From there, we'll get you situated. After I get you situated, I'm going to send you to my homie, Esselin. I'm going to send you to my friend so that he can get you approved for your home. We are not going to sit here and let you sink in this hole. We're not going to do that. There are down payment assistance programs that you can get. Okay? So if you don't have the money for a down payment, you can get into programs. You can get in closing cost programs. There are so many different programs that you can get in, but this is not it. Yes, when they talking about one particular community, that's not what we're doing. My guys that's on TikTok, all you got to do is go to my website. Go to my website on my profile, and if I can help you with that. Okay, let's do a credit audit with you. Applesauce. Go click on the link that I just posted. Go get your credit audit. You gotta, if you want the 50% off, you need to buy while we on the live. I'm gonna wait on you. If you guys, we got about 15 more minutes before I get out of here. You guys that are trying to get your stuff together and you want to get ready to buy your home the right way and not be bamboozled by this BS. Cause I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all know Coach P don't like. I don't. One thing I don't like, and if you've been following me since 2012, y'all know one thing I don't like is for people to try to take advantage of our people and try to make it seem like they doing something for us and they ain't. And you ain't. You're playing. So don't be sitting here listening to these people that's jumping on this bandwagon that don't know what the hell they talking about. Talking about, oh, you ain't got to fix your credit. Fix your credit. When I go to the link, what should I click? Oh, when you go to the link, it's gonna take you to my website, and it's gonna show you shop. You're gonna hit that one where it says shop, and then you're gonna go to the second product where it says credit audit. Let me do it with you so I can know exactly what it does for you because you're on TikTok. Guys, on Facebook, the link is in the description. So when you click on the link in my bio, you're gonna go to. It's going to take you to where it says ebook, guides, coaching, and more. Where it says my store, you click on that link. It's going to take you to my store. And you're going to click on the sixth one. Go scroll down and you're going to see credit audit report. You're going to see credit audit report. Click on that and use the discount code credit. Use the discount code credit. Anybody else need help with getting their credit fixed and getting on the right track? Getting on the right track. Sorry, y'all. I had a call. My mama trying to call me. Anybody else need help getting their credit fixed? And this is a one-time fee. You're not going to be paying me no monthly fee because I believe that monthly, don't sign up for no damn monthly credit reporting. Credit repair. Don't do that. You don't need to do that. You just need somebody that's a professional to tell you what you need to do, and you need to go and do it. Do not pay nobody a monthly credit repair fee for something that you can be saving that money for your house, and you can be fixing this for a way less cost than that. This is a one-time fee. And you also get into a private chat where we talk about credit and I give you letters and things like that as well. Do not go playing nobody for no monthly credit repair, all that. Don't do that. You just need to be educated. Everybody's credit situation is different. That's why I take the time to sit down and audit all 3 of your reports so that I know what you need to do and I show you what you need to do. And you still have access to me. We're not going to be doing all this back and forth. It's time for us to get serious about our money. It's time for us to actually build generational wealth for our children. It's time for us to stop leaving liabilities to our kids when we die. It's time for us to stop having GoFundMes for these kids and these parents when we die. Enough is enough. It's time to stop being so concerned about what all these so-called celebrities and these so-called influencers are doing. Your mind and your attention is in the wrong place. It's in the wrong place. You sacrificing for this and you sacrificing for that, but you're not sacrificing to take yourself to the next level financially. If you broke because you want to be broke. It starts with you. It's not the government problem. It's not your mama problem. It's not your daddy problem. It's you. Broke people are broke because that's what they want, because all they want to do is have an excuse about why they broke. Somebody holding them down. It's always the man holding me down. Where the hell is this man? Because I ain't seen him yet. I ain't seen him. Please point me in a direction so I can see this man that's holding you down, so I can tell him to let you go. The stuff they remove often comes back into you. Yes, be careful with, I'm trying to tell y'all, be careful with these credit repair people. I just told y'all, they got so many scams going around, especially in credit. You got people talking about they doing credit sweep. That ain't legal. You cannot be doing no damn credit sweep. You got people out here making fake police reports with your name on it, talking about they fixing your credit. But it sounds good. Somebody flash a flashy car or a nice trip to Dubai or somewhere. And now you sunk in with giving them your money for them to play in your face. Stop buying DIY letters. Everybody's situation is different. Your letter should not be the same letter that your neighbor sent. Y'all didn't have the same damn experience. That collection didn't get on your report the same way it got on their report. When you write your letter, you have to write your letter with the facts. With the facts. There are letters that you should write, right? They have to verify. There are laws for this. But you cannot use a cookie cutter letter that you bought off some DIY site and stick your information in it and think it's going to work. When everybody and their damn mama sending that same damn letter, you don't think they know that? Then you wonder why your credit score ain't moving, because it's bigger than moving your damn items off your credit report. Just like Eslyn was talking about earlier. What about your debt to income ratio? What about your credit utilization? What about those things? That's when your credit begins to change. Somebody just signed up for their credit report audit. Make your appointment. Make your appointment now, because I'm telling you that credit audit, it fills up fast. I think I'm already booked for September. Get your credit audit. Stop playing with your life. Stop playing with your future. You spend your time and your money at McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, all these places. And you won't fix your credit to put yourself in a better situation? To put your family and your children in a better situation? But we hear Bank of America, no cash, no money down. We hooping and hollering. For what? You still gonna have to have some money. Yes, make your appointment. Make your appointment now. Because that appointment, if they fill up fast, I think we're in October already. We might already be in October. So we probably won't meet until October, but I'll put you in the group. We won't have our meeting until about October. But I'm going to put you you'll be in the group after this live. How do we make it? How do you make what? How do you make what? Anybody else need their credit audit? Congratulations on the person that took the step to change their financial situation. Enough is enough, y'all. It's too much. Listen, our community is so distracted by Facebook and TikTok and jumping up and down and shaking your ass and being FN free and all this stuff. But nobody's talking about these finances. Nobody's talking about why are our babies hungry. The sale is until this live end. Once this live end, you would still have the option to sign up. You would just pay the regular price. Somebody else just got theirs. I see you. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. The discount code is at the bottom for guys that's on YouTube and Facebook. You're going to get 50% off. No, that we don't want to handle the truth. See, we want to like people. We want to praise people. Right now, it's $50. So if you buy right now, it's $50. If you after the live, it'll be $100. It's 50% off. It's a one-time fee. You also get into a private chat with me where we talk about your credit. I'm going to be putting some examples of letters in there so you can get started, but we're going to always revamp your letter to fit your situation because we go through that on your audit. And then we go from there and I'll walk you through the process. That's why you're going to be in that group. I'm not just going to do an audit and let you go. I'm not going to do that. I want to make sure you're following through. I'm really big on you following through. I don't want you paying me and I'm not seeing the results. Enough is enough. People out here taking from our community, preying on our community, taking y'all money, coming up on y'all. Just like the lady just went to jail. The feds done picked her up with the credit repair. And all these people now having a problem with their credit because she's sending them fake old police reports. Instead of teaching you. See, my thing is, I'm going to teach you. Because guess what? If something happened to me, I want you to still be able to be successful out here. I want you to say, you know what? Coach P left here, but she left me this information. I don't feel like I'm going without. I don't feel like I don't know how to figure this out. Yes, you'll make the appointment in Calendly. You should see it. And if you get stuck, I'll call you after the live and we'll get it together, okay? If you get stuck. Okay? I don't want y'all leaving here not knowing. That's why I get up here and I do the training. Okay? I teach y'all, I show y'all my screen. Because see, knowledge is power. Right? Y'all hear that a lot, right? Knowledge is power. But see, they forgot to tell you something. They forgot to tell you that applied knowledge is where the power come in. You can be so smart that you can be so dumb because you're not using the knowledge that you have. It's the applied knowledge. No, please do not compare this Bank of America program to NACA, because that ain't what it is. NACA is way better than it. Yes, go to the link in the bio. Go to the link in the bio. If you want to purchase, guys, let me see where we at. I'm going to stay here. I got about 8 more minutes, guys, and then the sale is going to end. If you want to get your audit and you want me to help you with your credit and get you to the point where you can get into your house, I have resources. I have friends that I'm connected in the business. I'm the realtor. I'm the accountant. But I have people that are mortgage brokers, lenders, all of that can help you. But we got to get your credit fixed right. Then we got to show you how to get yourself on a plan to start saving, to put you. See, you got to understand this, right? You want to be that person with buying power. When you walk in to buy your home, you want to have the power to call the shots about how you going to close this deal. Not people playing in your face. See, they don't tell you that. So most realtors ain't going to tell you that because all they want to do is close the deal. And once you buy your house, that's a done data. But I'm not that type of realtor. I can't sleep at night like that. I sleep good when I know that I help you and you doing good and you going to keep doing good. I'm not going to put you in a loan that's going to devastate your family. That's going to put you in a worse situation that you was already in. I ain't going to do that. I would rather let you go work with somebody that you want to play in your face than me go do some crazy stuff with you. Y'all don't even like, a lot of people don't like when I do that with the taxes. They get upset with me. Oh, P. Mathis, this tax preparer told me they can get me this. Well, let them go get you that. You sit right there, you let them write all that shit off on your tax return. Now you can't qualify for a house. And I'm telling you that that's not what you're supposed to do, and that's a big lie. But you don't want to listen to me. You want to listen to the person that don't know what they're doing. And because you're not getting such of a big refund back, now you're in a bad situation. Now you can't find your tax preparer. They missing. Tax season over, you can't reach them. But I be trying to tell y'all. I don't get mad at y'all. What I tell y'all? Well, go work with them. Guys on TikTok, if you're not already following me, go ahead and click that plus sign up there so you can stay connected with me. I made 19. Well, my daddy taught me if they don't get you in the wash, they will get you in the rinse. Yes, they will. I made y'all over here on Facebook, leave your comments. I only made $19.50 an hour. Would I still be eligible for a home? Yes. Don't look. See, you got to understand. You can afford a home as long as everything with your finances and your credit look right. That's where I come in and help you. You buy what you can buy. All right. So let me help y'all understand something. How many of you? Hey love, how y'all doing, guys? How many of you ever heard of being house broke? You ever heard of being house broke? Let me know. Anybody in here that can hear me, have you guys ever heard of being house broke? Yes, no? IRS hold, no? Okay. Let me break it down in the simplest terms. You know, I like to make it simple so y'all can understand it. So, being house broke, right? TikTok, Facebook, all of y'all. That is when an individual or house poor, yes, or house poor, right? House broke, house poor. I call it house broke. Or you may hear somebody say house poor. This is a person that was tricked into buying a home that they could not afford. And now they work to only pay their mortgage. They cannot live life. Why? Because they're robbing Peter to pay Paul to keep a property that a no good realtor convinced them to buy, knowing that they were spending over their budget. Okay? Let me help y'all understand something. When you go in and we get your credit right, because we're going to get it right, and those people tell you you qualify for $500,000, just because they tell you you qualify for $5,000 does not mean that you need to not $500,000 does not mean that you go and buy a $500,000 house. Do not listen to them people. You are in control. What you do is you say to yourself, I can live comfortably by paying, let's say you want to pay no more than $1,200 a month in your mortgage. Okay? You do not take anything. You do not buy anything that's going to take that mortgage over $1,200, including your insurance. I don't care what your damn realtor say. I don't care how much they try to finesse you because they want to close the damn deal. You will be house poor. You will find yourself foreclosing. And your realtor will not be nowhere around to help you fix that issue. Your realtor will not be nowhere around to feed your children and shelter your children. But they were going to be paid. They already got their money. That issue is no longer theirs. They own to the next person to play with. Do not allow these people to play with you. Somebody just got their audit. Do not allow these people to play with you. If you need help with fixing your credit, go sign up for my credit audit. I got you. We're going to get your credit fixed. We're going to get you in the right situation. I even sit down with my clients and go over their debt to income ratio because they don't understand. Buying a house is bigger than just your credit. They looking at your debt to income ratio too. They won't look at all this stuff. And let me tell you something. If you're single, listen to me. If you are single or you are engaged, listen to me. Buy your house first, single. Buy your house first, single. I'm gonna send it to you. I'll send it to you. Buy your house first, single. It's a private link. That's why you can't find it. Buy it single. Because let me tell you why. I'm about to give y'all some tea. I'm gonna tell y'all why. There are so many programs for first-time home buyers because your income is probably so low while you single, you're going to qualify for those programs. The minute your ass get married, the minute you get married, that income goes up, it pushes you out of the program qualifications. Don't get yourself, be smart with you and your spouse. You go get a house and you go get a house. Do it single, capitalize on the program, then marry. I was reading an article, y'all know I like to read, where a lady recently, well, this is probably last year or the year before last, divorced her husband just so she can get qualified for certain programs that they wouldn't give her as a married woman. Okay? That they wouldn't give her as a married woman. So listen, get with some people that know what the hell they talking about. See, because a lot of people ain't going to tell y'all this stuff. They going to play in your face. I'm not finna play with y'all. I'm finna tell y'all what y'all need to do. Y'all make sure y'all hit that little red dot. Make sure y'all following me. Make sure y'all follow me. Because I'm going to keep giving it. And make sure y'all got my YouTube. Because, you know, every time I be coming on this little tickety top app, giving the tea, I'm in trouble. And I ain't even did nothing. But tell the truth. Don't buy your house. Don't try to, I'm wait till I get married to buy my house. No. You and your buddy, your partner that's about to get married, y'all go get that free money. They go get theirs. You go get yours. Do not allow these people to play with you. It's supposed to be coming in Georgia soon. What they're saying is it's supposed to be some type of worldwide program, right? Worldwide program. Guys, oh my God, y'all got me on here over my time. Okay, wait a minute. Let me get back focused. Those of you that want your credit audit, because I got to go get the people that signed up into the group where they need to be so they can also make their appointments. Those of you that need a credit audit, you want to go to my website in my bio if you're on TikTok. Click the link, go to my shop, and go where you see credit report audit. Let me do this. Let me actually pull it up to the top. Maybe that'll help y'all. Let me pull it up to the top so y'all can see it. Where is it? Let me bring it up to the top of the screen. I'm going to bring it up to the top. All right, update settings. You should be able to see it easier now. But listen, do not let these people play in your face. Do not get these realtors that just so happy to sell. Let me tell y'all why I sleep at night. Let me tell you. The less income I'm showing, the lower my pre-approval. That's okay. But that's okay. Because you as a low income person got so many programs that you can get into. That's your starter home. Okay? You got to think about it like that. That's your starter home. You're going to use them programs as your starter home. Then you're going to stay connected with Coach P. You're going to learn how to be better with money. So now you got this starter home. Mind you, you got some programs out there where they will give you they would give you down payment programs, right? Based off your income. No interest, right? You don't have no interest on these loans. And then all you got to do is stay in the property for 3 years. Okay? So making less is really in your favor right now. It's in your favor. Don't think about all that other stuff. Think about right now and grow from there. They have these programs all over all 50 states. All 50 states. And keep in mind, I'm in Florida, but I help people in all 50 states. I got friends in all 50 states in the industry. I got relatives all over the world that I connect with. I know people. So if you in another state from me, that's okay. Call me. I'm about to get you hooked up with the right realtor so they can get you in the home. I've seen people get into in homes with a 550 credit score. 550 credit score. No money. It's not. See, y'all got to think about it. When we say no money down, they say no money down, no interest. You still gonna come out your pocket with some to buy a home. I'm a single mother. Wait a minute, y'all. Y'all, these comments going so fast. Golly. I'm a single mother. My credit is fine, and I live in one of the qualifying cities. But I don't trust this program. The stock and housing. I wouldn't trust this program either. I wouldn't. Get with me. Your credit is fine. Let's look at it. I got somebody I connect with you to get you approved. Just do it the regular way. Do it the regular way. Don't this program is new. Don't get yourself into some mess with this bank. Don't get yourself into this mess with no bank. Don't do that. All right, TikTok people. It's money out here. You just got to know how to get it. Just got to know how to get it. The same way they swing in this program. Same way they swing in this program. At least a year. At least a year on your job. At least a year on your job. 3 years of tax returns they may ask for, right? Anybody else need help with getting their credit right? My service. Right now, if you buy right now, it's $50 for me to look at your credit, tell you what you need to do, and get you on the right track. I'm going to help you get yourself in the home. If you're serious, don't waste your time. I don't waste my time with people. I'm serious about my job. I'm serious about what I do. I'm serious about moving you and helping you build generational wealth for your family. I'm serious about that. If you need your credit in the right place, go to my website. The website is in my bio. Get your credit audit. Get your credit audit. Anybody on Facebook need help? TikTok, I'm telling y'all, don't get bamboozled. I'm also trying to build business credit. I can help you with that. Who was that say they're trying to build business credit? If you're trying to build business credit, let me help you with something. I have a group coaching program. And if you get into my group coaching program before September 9th, I'm actually teaching them step-by-step business credit. I'm teaching them how to do it. I'm teaching my students how to do that. All of my students that are in my group coaching program. So if you want to learn how to do that, get into that program or you could just buy the guide. I do have a guide on my site. It's $99, but I think you will probably get more benefit out of actually being in the workshop that I'm going to be doing with my coaching students. I'm a business coach as well. So I have students that are in my program. They pay me $54.99 a month. And this month, we're going over business credit. So every month, I teach them something new. And this month, I'm teaching them business credit. So they will not only get that guide that you will get if you just bought the guide, but they're actually getting a training. And we're going through all of that together. So if you are a business owner, you might want to do that. But that's, like I said, it's up to you. My business coaching program is affordable business coaching. I believe in making things affordable for people that say that they want to change their life. That's why you don't see me charging you $1,000, because I do that. That's only for my one-on-ones. But I do have an affordable option. So if you want to learn how to structure your business properly, you want to learn how to market your business. Thank you so much for the roses. You want to learn how to market your business. You want to learn how to grow your business bottom line, bring brand awareness, business credit, grants, all of that. You want to get in business coaching, because every month my students are learning something new, and then also every day they have access to me, right? So a lot of times you get business coaches and you can't even find them. They have a private group themselves as well, where they talk to me daily during my office hours. They ask their questions and I help them grow their business. So you can go that route, or you can just go get the guide and you can just do it yourself. The guide is very, very detailed, but like I say, I will actually be teaching them with that guide on the 9th. Okay? Anybody else have any questions? Anybody else trying to get their credit audit before we get out of here? Before we get out, my credit is fine. I fixed it myself. I just need right program for first time home buyers. Okay, okay, I got you. Boss lady, I got you. Message me. Get on my website and contact me. I got you. Hi, first time here with you. What is the NACA? What about the NACA problem? What NACA problem? What NACA problem? Y'all, these comments going so fast. What NACA problem? What's up, ball guy? Hey, bro. What NACA problem? If you need your credit, oh, NACA program. Oh, I like the NACA program. I promote that all the time to you guys. The NACA program is really, really good. Guys on TikTok, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. My guys on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. This is my time here. I'm going to go try to pay attention to these people here on TikTok. You can come join me on TikTok. My name is the same as it is here on Facebook and YouTube. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love y'all. And as I always tell you guys, peace, love, and happiness. And y'all be safe out there. The code will still be on because I'm still on TikTok. So if you want to get your guide, you want to get your audit, you can still get it for that 50% off. But I'm just going to go over here to TikTok because they got a lot of comments and I want to give them some time because I've been giving you guys more of my undivided attention. I will see you guys later. I love y'all.